program ಇದೆ.
Dignitaries on the dais and master trainers, Madam S. Nanda Madam Garu and Narayana Sir Advocate and the panel lawyers of the District Legal Services Authority and Mandal Legal Services Authorities. Good morning to all, and it is a privilege for me to be here this morning amongst you and for giving this type of training is very much useful to the panel lawyers, because after completion of the LLB there will be no training for the advocates to improve their skills, whether about the pleadings, drafting of pleadings or represent the cases before the court. Only by observing the seniors we are improving our skills. That is not sufficient, it seems. That is the reason our national NALSA and state legal services authorities thought that these type of trainings would improve the advocate skills, mainly for the panel lawyers, because the district judges who were appointed, there would be 6 months training, and junior civil judges for 1 year training, but there is no training for advocates. Recently I observed in a case that a murder case which took place in midnight, 2 eyewitnesses spoken about the incident, but there is no reference about the light, whether that witness can see in such dark night or not. It is the duty of the investigating officer to see and show the court that there is a light. In that light the witness can able to see that accuser, but there is no reference either by the prosecution or by the defense counsel. It is very much important, even according to the decisions of the Honorable Supreme Court and High Court, when the offence took place in the night time, it is bounden duty of the prosecution to say about the lighting, availability of the lighting, which provides the witness to see the incident. And today's training program to panel lawyers is organized by the Telangana State Legal Services Authority in coordination with the District Legal Services Authority, Medak. The program covers various subjects and is designed to enhance the lawyering skills of the panel lawyers who work for the poor and needy people. The panel lawyers shall strive hard to defend the cases of the needy, victims, children, etc. They are the instruments who bring glory to the legal services institutions. The legal services not only include providing legal aid, legal advice, but also includes various services like enabling, not only include provide legal advice, but also includes various legal services like enabling the beneficiaries approach the agencies to reap their benefits, to know the procedures under law, to enlighten the public with regard to various laws. The role of a panel lawyer is multifold, and so a panel lawyer is expected to be versatile professional. The purpose being to cement the gap between the study of law and its practice, and to build special abilities for the advocates. We are now not confined only for giving a lawyer to a litigant people for arguing the case, but we have gone one step forward to provide the excellent advocates to the needy people. I am confident that this training would not only be value addition to your knowledge, but would also enable you to enhance your skills for effectively defending the rights of the victims and the vulnerable sections of the society.
This August gathering on the eve of training to the legal service panel lawyers of Sangareddy and
the best qualities of a lawyer
sir had experience as a lawyer for many years before becoming a district judge, and from his experience being a lawyer and also